Highland Hill Farm delivers 3 to 4 foot Leland cypresses, green giant arborvitaes, viburnums, and other nursery stock to the Ohio areas. We are located in central Pennsylvania, eastern Pennsylvania, North Carolina, and we actually have farms we ship out of in Tennessee. So we can supply a wide range of nursery stock for you. We ship on tractor trailer trucks, our F550s with flatbeds, and also on pickup trucks with small trailers. We can deliver and install many of the plants that we sell. So if you need nursery stock, give us a call at 215-651-8329. The years 2013 and 2014 we have a special. Our 3 to 4 foot trees are only $45 each, delivered and installed. So call us for an order and we will be glad to help you at 215-651-8329. Thank you.